The Multiwash 340 pump battery offers high-quality cleaning performance, versatility, ease of use, product quality and durability. Ideal for when staff, patients and customers are present, as it will wash, mop, scrub and dry on both hard and soft floor coverings in one single pass. Please read the full user instructions before using this machine and check that your supply voltage corresponds with that marked on the rating label on the rear of the machine. In your multi-wash boxes you should receive the following items: the base part of the machine, 2 handle tubes, top handle and electric cable, 2 knobs, 2 screws, 4 washers, 2 caps, Allen key, battery, charger and charger cable, 2 standard brushes, solution tank. Remove the elastic that holds the bottom handle to the machine body. With the machine facing away from you, insert the 2 tubes into the bottom handle, ensuring they are assembled according to their marked position left and right. Secure the handle tubes using the 2 washers and 2 knobs and tighten using the Allen key. To assemble the top handle, ensure the label is facing the front of the machine. Fit the handle over the 2 tubes. Secure the top handle using the 2 washers and 2 screws. Tighten using the Allen key. Insert the caps to cover the screws. The Allen key can be stored on the handle tube as shown for convenience. Connect the electric cable to the handle. Slide the battery into the base. Charge the battery for 5.5 hours before first use. Connect the battery to the base. Fit the solution tank firmly into the bottom handle and rotate the knobs to hold in place. To remove packaging from the brushes, slide out the brush shafts, lift up the pump housing and remove the brush, discarding the cardboard packaging and then replacing the brush and brush shaft. Repeat these steps for the second brush. Your machine is now ready for use. Check that the brushes are fitted correctly. Check the battery is connected correctly. Fill the solution tank with mixed water and approved cleaning chemical according to the chemical manufacturer's instructions. The Multiwash 340 pump battery model has a 4-litre solution tank capacity for improved productivity. The transport working mode control is located on the right-hand side of the machine from the operator's position. When using the machine, slide the knob to the top position. This is working mode. When you're not using the machine or transporting the machine, slide the knob to the bottom position. This is transport mode. Please ensure transport mode is selected when the machine is not in use to avoid damage to the brushes. The brush pressure level is located on the left-hand side of the machine from the operator's position. The lowest position is for minimum brush pressure and the highest position is for maximum brush pressure. Changing the brush pressure to the highest position can compensate for wear of the brushes and also control the scrubbing effect. The battery switch is located on the side of the battery. This must be switched on when operating the machine. When the battery is switched on, the LED status at the back of the machine will be amber and turn to green when the machine is ready for use. The on-off control is at the back of the machine, and by pressing the foot pedal lightly and pulling back the handle, the motor will start. The solution discharge control is situated on top of the handle. At the rear of the machine is a light. When the machine is fully charged and ready for use, this will be green. When the machine is approaching discharge, it will be amber. And when the battery is approaching cut-off point, it will be flashing amber. When there is a low charge or cut-off limit, or the motor temperature has exceeded its limit, it will be red, and when the battery cut-off limit is reached, it will be flashing red. Ensure the battery switch is in the off position before charging. To charge the battery, plug the DC cable into the charge point on the battery and the AC cable into the charger. Plug the other end of the charger into a convenient plug socket outlet. Leave for 5.5 hours in a well-ventilated area. The light will be red and turn to green when the battery is fully charged. Select the brush pressure level required and change the machine to working mode. Switch the battery on and wait for the LED status light to turn from amber to green, indicating the machine is ready for use. Start the machine by pressing the pedal and pulling back the handle. Move forward while sparingly pulling on the solution discharge control. By pulling the lever up, the cleaning solution is dispensed onto the floor. The solution will stop once the lever is released. This shouldn't be kept pulled all the time. The duration and frequency should be adjusted to suit the floor type and extent of dirt. The working principle of the multi-wash scrubber dryer is that the counter-rotating brushes scrub the floor and also throw the dirty water on the conveyor drum. The front brush does most of the scrubbing and drying. The rear brush completes the scrubbing and collects the remaining water off the floor. A blade fitted to the recovery tank wipes the drum and collects the dirty water. Cleaning liquid in the solution tank is applied to the floor by the spray at the front of the machine. Stop releasing the solution approximately 30 cm before the end of the cleaning path and continue to move to the end of the cleaning path without pulling the solution control handle to ensure all solution is picked up. Pull the machine backwards along the same cleaning path, but without discharging any solution. Move the machine forward and repeat, slightly overlapping the previous pass. If you're working in a large area, take a U-turn and move forward. There are optional accessories available with the multi-wash range. A trolley is available for easy transportation between cleaning areas, and a side brush for improved cleaning against spools. Subject to model, there are a number of different brushes available, including hard brushes for cleaning hard floors, soft brushes for cleaning carpets, and escalator brushes for cleaning escalators. After use, remove and rinse out the solution tank with clean water to remove dirt and sediment. Place the solution tank onto the machine. Fill the solution tank with clean water and use the machine to flush through any remaining sediment and clean the machine. Empty both the recovery and solution tanks and rinse, placing to one side. Switch off the battery and disconnect from the machine. After every use, check the battery cable for any wear or damage and charge if required. Wipe down the machine, including the drum roll. Rinse both brushes, checking regularly for any wear and tear. If replacement is required, both brushes should be replaced at the same time. Replace the solution and recovery tanks. Set your machine to transport mode. Store the machine in a dry indoor area only.